How to convert a PDF to Excel. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can convert PDF file to Excel. There are several ways in order to convert a PDF to Excel. In today's video, I'm going to use a free website called I Love PDF in order to convert a PDF to Excel file. For that, you'll need to first open any web browser of your device. Here I have launched my Google Chrome. Now in the search bar, you will need to type in ilovepdf.com and then press on enter to search for it. This website is a versatile platform for managing PDF files. It offers tools to merge, split, compress, unlock, protect, and convert PDFs into formats like Word, Excel, JPG, and more. Once you reach to the official website of I Love PDF, here in this interface, you'll be able to locate PDF to Excel at the bottom left. If in case you didn't see this option, you may also hover your cursor over this all PDF tools and then you'll be able to see this pop-up. Now from here, you will need to select this convert from PDF option and under it here find PDF to Excel. Once you locate this option, simply click on it and then now here you will need to select your PDF file. Simply click on it and then select a PDF file from your device. Your PDF file and then click on open button. Now it will be uploaded here. Once after uploading the file, in this interface at the bottom left you will be able to see convert to Excel button. Simply click on it and wait until it is converted. Once it is converted, you will be able to see download Excel button. Simply click on it to download this Excel file. Once after downloading, here at the top right, you'll be able to see this download button, which is in progress right now. And once it is downloaded, simply double click on it to open your Excel file. Now in this file, you'll be able to see various tables at the bottom. Simply click on them to open your file. So this is how you can convert your PDF file to the Excel document. So by following these steps, you should be able to convert your PDF file to Excel document. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.